Hey guys, and welcome back to my Southern Illinois kitchen. Today we're making spaghetti with meat sauce, and we are making it in the microwave. All right. Hey everybody. Welcome back. Today we're doing something totally new. We are going to make dinner in the microwave. We're going to take half a pound of ground meat. I'm using pork because I don't like ground beef. If you don't like ground pork, use ground beef. So half a pound is going to go in this little microwave safe Pyrex dish. I'm going to break it up. And to that, once we get it broken up a little bit, we're going to add about a quarter of an onion and a quarter of a green pepper and a little bit of garlic. So there's the meat. Let's cut up green pepper. Oh, someone needs to sharpen their knives. It's the most odd. Oh, look, it had a baby pepper growing inside of it. Oh, how cute. I was wondering why it was so oddly shaped. That's why. Don't cut your hands off, everybody. Oh, the puppy dogs are here to help. Hello, puppy dogs. I hear you. All right, that's about a quarter of a pepper. So let's chop it up. Now we're going to do a quarter of an onion. Healthy onion. Hey, Papa. I hear a little kitty cat too. Yes, I do. All right, there's about a quarter of an onion. Cool. And I just bought some garlic. Let's add some garlic. Yum. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do with this mixture we have here, you see it? See this? Going to put a lid on it, and then we're going to put it up here. My really helpful ex put the microwave way up high. There's somebody that's 5'2" and does all the cooking. So thanks for that. Oh, it's way up there. All right, that's going to get about 3 minutes, and then we're going to check it. Okay, first 3 minutes are done, and we look like this. We're going to cook it a couple more minutes after I break it up a little bit more. It actually looks pretty good. Oh, breaking up the meat's hard. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the meat's all nicely broken up, and really there isn't very much pink left. So I'm going to cook it for like 2 more minutes, then we'll see where we're at. Okay, we did 2 more minutes, and I'm pretty sure there is absolutely no pink left in the meat. The great thing about ground pork instead of ground beef is that it's very lean, so I don't have to drain it. I don't have to drain the fat off. I'm going to use canned spaghetti sauce. That's the kind of person I am. I use about half of it. Mix it up. This looks pretty good. It smells really good. Maybe a little bit more. Nice and saucy. And they say to get the, or if you want the flavors to blend, go ahead and stick it back in the microwave for about 2 to 3 more minutes. I'm going to do 3 more minutes. Try to get the flavors together. Bob, what are you talking about over there, kitty cat? Bob. Hey, buddy. Okay, back to the microwave. Here it goes. One of the most helpful things of a Pyrenees. Wait, don't leave. Hold on, I'm talking about you. No, excuse me. This is tall enough to put its nose on the counter, and it's also tall enough to eat your cabinets. You see those cabinets? That's from the dog. Yep. Well, hello, Littlefoot. Okay, let's introduce Littlefoot. Another formerly homeless cat who is, she's my life partner. Come here. This is my cat. This is my baby. She didn't like anybody else. She is my cat. All right, Littlefoot, can you say hi? Meow, meow, meow. This is my baby girl. Okay, now get off the counter. We're cooking. 3 minutes complete. Oh, that looks like spaghetti sauce. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay. So we're going to leave the lid on this, and we're going to let it sit here and just think about what it's done while we go and cook the noodles. We switch to the other counter. We are going to put 6 cups of water. I'm sorry. Yes, that was loud. 6 cups of water. Here we go. You know what? It actually says to use 6 cups of water for a 3-quart pan, and this is a 2-quart dish. So I'm going to use 4 cups of water. Not 6, it'll be crazy. Put a little tiny bit of salt in your water, and then I'm going to put this in the microwave for 7 minutes to see if it'll boil. I'm going to keep an eye on it. We'll see how long it takes. There we go. Now we put the spaghetti in. Enough for 2 people. How much spaghetti is good for 2 people? Let's say that's 1 person. And we'll say that's 2 people. Okay, uncovered. Oh, it's hot. Back in the microwave for 7 to 10 minutes. We're going to start with 7 and see how it goes. This is my chair that I use to reach the microwave so that I don't burn crap on myself. Hello, stinker. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so just as a quick little update, the spaghetti was not done, so I put it back in for 2.5 minutes. I've set everything up. Now we're just waiting for the noodles. Okay, noodles took a couple more minutes, and then I drained them of water. That's it, they're done. Look at that. Let's make us a bowl of paschetti. I can't believe I cooked spaghetti in the microwave. I'm kind of impressed. Didn't know you could. Ooh, delicious. Oh, I made a mess. Imagine that. Yep. Shaky cheese. And there you go. Look at that. Homemade spaghetti from the microwave. Done. Beautiful. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this week, and we will see you next time.